Whether you're a weekend woodworker or a seasoned craftsman, a solid bench vise is the backbone of any workshop. Today, we're counting down the top 5 bench vises for woodworking, each one designed to give you strength, precision, and reliability. Let's dive in. Number 1. The FCA Woodworking Bench Vice is a reliable tool designed for woodworkers who value strength and precision. Made from high-quality beech wood, it is durable, impact-resistant, and built to last. The natural wood grain gives it a clean and professional look, making it a pleasure to use in any workshop. This vise is multifunctional. It provides stability for chiseling, planing, and sawing, covering most woodworking needs. With 4 metal bench dogs and 2 clips, it delivers excellent clamping power, keeping your project secure while you work. Think of it as an extra set of hands. When you need both hands free, this vise holds your work firmly in place. Compact and portable, the work surface measures just 20.8 by 11 by 2.7 inches. That makes it easy to carry and mount on any platform, whether in a garage, studio, or home workshop. Number 2. The AV Steel 4.5-inch bench vise is a powerhouse tool built for serious woodworking and DIY projects. With a maximum jaw opening of 3 3/4 inches and a throat depth of 2 and 11/32, it gives you the grip and reach you need for a wide range of tasks. The built-in pipe jaws handle round stock with ease, while the 3 1/4-inch square anvil provides a solid surface for light hammering and shaping. Made from high-strength cast iron, this vise is designed to take on heavy pressure and daily impact. It delivers an impressive clamping force of 2,250 pounds, giving you rock-solid stability for safe and precise work. The 240-degree swivel base lets you position your project at almost any angle, making it versatile and convenient. Weighing just over 10 pounds, it mounts securely to your workbench and is perfect for woodworking, drilling, pipe cutting, and more. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, this heavy-duty vise is a workshop essential. Number 3. The Maximman Clamp Bench Vise with Post is a heavy-duty tool designed for flexibility and long-lasting performance. Forged from an all-steel base with a chrome-plated spindle and nut, it delivers strength and durability that can handle decades of workshop use. The jaws are treated with advanced heat technology to increase hardness and resist deformation, even under extreme pressure. This vise comes as a complete kit, including a fully lacquered orange bench clamp for post holders, 4 soft rubber protective covers, and 2 non-slip gaskets. With 10 mounting holes, you can set it up to match your exact needs. Its 360-degree spherical head rotates smoothly and can tilt up to 45 degrees, giving you professional-level flexibility far beyond standard vises. With a maximum jaw opening of 3.2 inches and a height of 12.5 inches, it's ideal for woodworking, DIY, metal processing, and industrial projects. Protective rubber pads and non-slip gaskets keep your surfaces safe from scratches while holding your work securely in place. Strong, versatile, and reliable, the Maximman Clamp Bench Vise is built to make every project easier. Number 4. The WorkPro Dual Jaws Table Vise is a compact yet powerful tool designed for versatility in woodworking, metalworking, and DIY projects. It comes with 2 sets of jaws, 2.5-inch serrated jaws for gripping pipes and tubes, and 1.5-inch smooth jaws for delicate woodworking or precision tasks. This dual design makes it perfect for switching between different materials without changing tools. The advanced 360-degree swivel base and head allow you to position your workpiece at any angle, giving you full flexibility and easy access. Mounting is simple, with options for clamp-on or bolt-down installation, so it fits most workbenches and tables without taking up much space. Weighing just 7.7 pounds and measuring 8.7 by 6.9 by 3.5 inches, it's compact and portable, ideal for hobbyists, workshops, or on-the-go repairs. Built from durable ductile iron with hardened carbon steel jaws, it delivers up to 660 pounds of clamping force, ensuring rugged reliability for years of use. Number 5. The Pony Heavy-Duty Bench Vise is built for serious strength and versatility in any workshop. With a 5-inch jaw width and opening, plus a throat depth of 2 5/8 inches, it provides plenty of capacity for a wide range of woodworking and metalworking tasks. The large, polished anvil surface and permanent pipe jaws make it easy to hold round stock, shape materials, or tackle heavy-duty projects. This vise is designed with a full 360-degree swivel base and front jaw, giving you complete flexibility to position your workpiece both vertically and horizontally. Dual lock nuts keep everything secure, while the replaceable hardened steel serrated jaws ensure long-lasting grip. Made from ductile cast iron with cold-formed steel channel beams, it delivers an incredible clamping force of over 5,500 pounds. That means rock-solid stability for grinding, cutting, gluing, sawing, sanding, and more. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a dedicated DIYer, the Pony Heavy-Duty Bench Vise is a multi-purpose powerhouse that belongs on every workbench.